Do you really want to know how many calories you're having a day? Even your macros? This is the Smart Nutrition Scale that's been blowing up on TikTok. It's got 156,000 reviews on Amazon. And I've got one in my hands. It took forever to get this. I've been waiting for this forever. So if you guys have watched some of our videos, we've been doing carnivore, we've been doing keto. That was easy to open. There was no tape or anything. It's got a thing. Basically, you're going to download the app.
We're all about the app,
And it actually says it has a 2-year warranty with it. So that's nice. Okay, let's open this up. So you'll have to do a product A, B. Oh, yeah. That's nice. Nice packaging. Easy to open. Oh, just pull it right out. Look at this thing. Is this not cool? So I watched a few TikToks before I did this. They've been putting food directly on the scale.
What?
On the scale. Directly.
Well, I hope they're cleaning it off.
I don't know. Like, I wouldn't do that.
Oh, the pull tab.
The pull tab. So that means there's already batteries in here. I'm going to open them up and see what they are. So just, I cannot even
Triples.
see that. 3 triple A's. And a pull tab. So you just pull this out. And it's on.
Voila.
Look at that screen. Is this not the perfect sized one too? This is going to look so good in our kitchen. I love the rounded edges. It looks really nice. Let me look at that. Wow. So is it already showing?
You'll have to tear it out. Isn't that what it's called?
Well, what you really do is you just power it. You should just power it on and off. And it should scale out every time you do that. So that one weighs 0.2. And I was reading, they do have some bad reviews on there, but I don't know if I necessarily believed them. So we're going to download the app, and I got some almonds in a bowl, and we're going to figure out, how much we're really eating. And I also read it's supposed to calculate all your stuff for you, and then put it where you know what you've ate for the day. Well, somebody said that it doesn't do that. You have to do it manually. So we're going to figure that out too. But first impressions, this is very sleek. Looks very nice. Will look very nice in the kitchen. Can't wait to try it out. So we just picked it up and moved it. It's going back to 0 now. It says tear right there. I don't know how you turn it off if you hold it down. Yeah,
Yep, just hold it down.
Just hold it down. Push power. It's Bluetooth. Okay, it's at 0 again. So if you keep it down, it'll go to 0. Then you put something on it. Tear it out. Have a little T there, and then you start adding your food. You don't have to put your food on top of the thing. You can put this and zero it out.
Or even like a paper towel. It doesn't have to be a bowl. Anything.
Absolutely. Really. And I'm going to guess with the app, which should be awesome, is if you got a big plate covering this, you got a big steak up there, you can just cover that and look on the app, and it'll tell you what it is. The only problem I see is hopefully the tear is on the app. So that was 8.6 zeroed back out.
Yeah.
All right, we'll get this app downloaded.
Show you what it looks like.
Yeah, see in just a little bit. I just ate some almonds. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I was getting hungry. We've got the app downloaded. Just go to Add Device, And we're going to pick out what it is. Oh my gosh. Switches. They got all kinds of stuff. I'm going to have to check this place out. This is some stuff I've been wanting. Bulbs. Doorbell. Okay. Air fryers. Here we go. Nutrition scale. They only have one of those. That is so cool.
Do you want me to show this?
Yeah. So we got the scale. So we got to turn it on. Right on. Found device instantly. Instantly. Connecting to our device. So we're going to put this in the kitchen. Assign to new. Next. Device name. Smart Scale. Customize icon. Okay, I like what it's got. Done. Third-party apps. Absolutely. Apple Health. That's going to be awesome. Okay. Connect. Turn on all. And we're going to push allow. Oh my gosh, it said potassium and everything. So, additional goals, carbs, everything. Okay, what do I do?
Go to done.
Well, I tried to press done, and done didn't done.
You got this here.
Required.
So you got to put in the food.
No, daily calorie
Oh,
go.
okay.
Let's put in 2,000. Missed that. And put done. You can do everything. Oh, no way. So you can do how much of these you want. That is cool. Okay. So we're going to do dinner.
Or do a snack if you're doing almonds.
Oh, okay. Snack. Snack. And then we're going to barcode scan up here. Allow camera. And we're going to do that right there. Oh, it came up instantly. So we're going to put this on here. Let's see if I can tear from here. No, I don't see that.
Mm-mm.
Okay, we'll have to figure that out later. We're going to come out with a review of this whole thing. So I can actually press it here. I was hoping you could do it after. So we've teared it back to 0. And then we're going to add what we're going to eat.
It instantly started moving over here on your phone.
Oh, instantly.
When you put that in there, it started to move.
Well, we're recording this too. So you got your carbs. K calories is 241. A serving size is 170. We're at 241. Look at what we got here. We know you're eating more than that.
Mm-hmm.
So this is why you need this. This is going to save you.
And that is 7 grams of carbs. Is that what that says? 7.1?
Yeah, 7.1 grams of carbs, 8.5 grams of protein, and 22.7 grams of fat. And now we can go through everything. Look at this. It's got all of your stuff.
So if you are like a
Potassium.
diabetic, anything, this would be perfect.
Yeah, you can see exactly. So it says up here, save and add more. And you could put, let's put a star. Look. So we starred this food. Save and add more. And then we go to my food. And it's right there. And you could create a food. So if you do some special food, like my wife cooked something tonight, and you have that recipe, you can put in the different stuff that she uses and make it to where, you know, you're getting your actual, this is how you lose weight. Knowing how much you eat. If you have a certain size thing, a certain calorie goal, you can't gain weight if you don't eat enough calories. If you eat too many calories, you gain weight. This thing is freaking awesome. I was hoping there would be one like this, and it's here. So let's see. View analysis. Okay, that's...
So you just go through.
So we will have... So we got our food there. We've got today what we've ate right here, what we was hoping for, and we'll show you that up there. It tells you what we put in.
Cool.
And it view all the nutritional facts. This thing looks amazing. This app looks great.
This would be great if you were doing even like Weight Watchers.
Anything.
Any of that, where you're counting all of that stuff.
Diet.
Yeah.
When we was on carnivore, now we're going to keto, we have to count our carbs.
Yeah.
We have to count our carbs. I'm going to do my sugar. I'm going to have so much information. I've got a brand new scale to weigh myself on. I've got this food scale. I've got a brand new blood pressure monitor. I have so much data. I'm wearing an Apple Watch around all the time. We are gonna go through
He's
so
gonna
much
get
data.
peak health.
Peak prime health, and we're gonna see what we've been eating, how much we've been eating. I may do my water intake, any drinks that I have, coffee, all that stuff, and it shows you everything. Look at all the nutrition stuff that's on there. Vitamin A, C, D, calcium, iron.
Wow.
I think that's it though. Sodium, potassium, dietary fiber, sugars, protein. I mean, it's there. Oh, I'm super excited about this thing. I cannot wait. It's a 4.6 rating on Amazon. What'd I say? 156,000 reviews. This thing, this is the future. I mean, I wanted one that you just said what your food was. That you could just, hey Siri, I mean a banana, and then weigh it, and then it could tell you. But
we're not there yet.
We're not there yet. But this is a big step forward. I'm glad I found this. $39 on Amazon.
And it's not sponsored. We're not nothing.
We're not sponsored. We have affiliate links, but after seeing what this place has, call me. Call me. We would love to review some more products from this place. It looks good. This is our first one from them. First time I've heard of them, but we will see. Thank you very much for watching. I still have all my...
Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you're new. Hello. And share the video.
All right. Bye.
Catch you on the next review.